Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sobia Shehzad, PhD scholar from University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Lahore. Today, I will be presenting my work entitled Neuroprotective Effects of Proxyrutin and Selenium Supplementation against Subacute Cypermethrin-Induced Oxidative Stress and Behavioral Dysfunction in Mice. To begin with, let me first introduce the background of my study. As we know, cypermethrin is a synthetic parasite insecticide. It is commonly applied in agricultural practices to protect crops as well as for controlling household pests. It has gained widespread usage because of its high insecticidal activities and relatively low cost. However, despite its effectiveness, this extensive usage has raised serious health concerns as cypermethrin persists longer in the environment and easily accumulate through the food chain. One of the major harmful effects of cypermethrin is neurotoxicity, as it has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier where it disrupts the normal neuronal function, leading to oxidative stress, neuroinflammation, and motor dysfunction. Due to these adverse effects, there is a growing interest to explore a safe and protective natural compounds which can also offer neuroprotection. In this context, proxyrutin, a natural bioflavonoid commonly known as P4, has gained attention due to its potent antioxidant properties. It also scavenges reactive oxygen species, thereby protecting neurons against oxidative damage. Similarly, selenium, which is an essential micronutrient, plays crucial role in maintaining cellular redox homeostasis. Selenium also plays a very important role in maintaining antioxidant enzyme activities. The supplementation of selenium has also shown promising role in protecting oxidative stress related diseases and neurodegenerative disorders. Despite these findings, there is still some gap which bring us to our statement of problem, which is pesticides have been linked to a variety of deleterious health effects on living systems. Proxyrutin and selenium have been known to show antioxidant and neuroprotective properties against several pesticides. The supplementation of proxyrutin and selenium can be utilized to mitigate the harmful impact of cypermethrin on the nervous system. On the basis of this statement, we define the objective of our study, which is we evaluate the effects of proxyrutin and selenium on the behavioral disorder, tissue redox status, biochemical parameters, and acetylcholinesterase activity against cypermethrin-induced subacute neurotoxicity in the mice. In experimental design, we allocate 30 adult mice into 5 equal groups. The first group, which was titled control group, in this group, all the mice were orally supplemented with 0.9% normal saline solution for 28 days. The second group, which was cypermethrin group, in this group, all the mice were orally supplemented with 5 milligram per kg body weight of cypermethrin for 28 days. The third group, which was titled as proxyrutin and cypermethrin. In this group, the mice were orally supplemented with 5 milligram per kg of cypermethrin and proxyrutin 150 milligram per kg for 28 days. The fourth group was selenium and cypermethrin, and in this group, all the mice were orally supplemented with cypermethrin at the dose of 5 milligram per kg body weight and selenium at the dose of 25 microgram per kg body weight for 28 consecutive days. The fifth group, which was proxyrutin, selenium, and cypermethrin, in this group, the mice were already supplemented with 5 milligram per kg of cypermethrin, 150 milligram per kg of proxyrutin, and 25 microgram per kg body weight of selenium for 28 consecutive days. After performing this experiment, all the mice were subjected to behavioral assessment for following tests at the end of the trial, and the parameter which we studied to evaluate the motor function was beam balance test, core test, and footprint test. To assess the anxiety level, we performed open field test, elevated plus maze test, and for spatial memory function, we performed Y maze test. For biochemical parameters, we assess the liver health markers ALT, AST in the serum, and renal health markers creatinine and urea levels were measured in the serum. We measured the redox status for lipid peroxidation. We measured the level of MDA in serum, brain, liver, and kidney, and we also measured the activity of antioxidant enzymes superoxide dismutase and catalase in liver, brain, kidney, and liver. For the measurement of acetylcholinesterase activity, we measure the acetylcholinesterase activity in the brain of the mice, and statistical analysis, the calculated data was statistically evaluated using one-way ANOVA, while group differences were compared by using post-hoc test by keeping the significant level at p less than 0.05. The results we obtained for motor coordination assessment in the beam balance test, as you can see in the graph, the mice treated with cypermethrin show increased transfer time to cross the beam as compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented group, either supplemented alone or in individual with roxyrutin, selenium, and roxyrutin plus selenium, showed that the mice took less time to cross the beam as compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For pole test, the control group showed that the mice took less time to descend down the pole as compared to the cypermethrin treated group. However, all the supplemented groups, either supplemented individually or in combination, showed that the mice took less time to descend down the pole as compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For footprint test, we measured the gait pattern of the mice, and in these results, the stride length of the cypermethrin treated group was decreased as compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented group stride length was increased when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. The second parameter of footprint was the step length. The cypermethrin treated group mice shows decrease in the step length as compared to the control group, while all the supplemented group shows increased step length when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. But the step width was increased in the cypermethrin treated group when compared to the control group, while all the supplemented group mice shows decreased step width when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For anxiety level, we performed open field test, and the results were obtained by using ProfTrack software. The results of anxiety showed that the cypermethrin treated group's mice covered less distance when compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented group mice shows that they covered more distance when compared to the cypermethrin group, which indicates their increased locomotory function. The results we obtained by using ProfTrack for mobility percentage, the cypermethrin treated mice shows less mobility percentage when compared to the control group, while all the mice supplemented with the either with alone roxylutin, the selenium, or in combination showed that the mobility percentage was increased when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. While the number of explored areas, the results were not statistically significant in all the groups. The second test we performed to analyze the anxiety level was elevated plus MACE, and the two parameters which we measured was spontaneous open arm entry and spontaneous open arm time. The mice treated with cypermethrin shows less open arm entries when compared to the control group, and similarly, all the supplemented groups shows increased open arm entries when compared to the cypermethrin treated groups. However, the percentage open arm time, the mice spend less time in open arm in cypermethrin treated group when compared to the control group. However, the mice supplemented with selenium and in combination with roxyrutin showed more time spent in the open arm when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. To measure the spatial memory function, we performed Y-maze test, and in this test, the spontaneous entries performed by cypermethrin were less decreased as compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented group, either supplemented alone with roxyrutin, selenium, or in combination, showed increased spontaneous entries as compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For serum biochemical levels in mice supplemented with roxyrutin and selenium against the acute exposure of cypermethrin, the hepatic markers ALT and AST, the cypermethrin treated mice has increased ALT-AST level when compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented groups shows decreased level of ALT and AST as compared to the cypermethrin treated group. The kidney health marker creatinine and urea, the cypermethrin treated mice shows increased level of creatinine and urea as compared to the control group, while all the supplemented groups showed in creatinine, the mice supplemented with roxyrutin, selenium, and in combination shows decreased level of creatinine as well as in urea. For serum redox status in mice supplemented with proxyrutin and selenium against subacute exposure of cypermethrin, the cypermethrin treated mice shows increased MDA level indicated lipid peroxidation as compared to the control group. However, the mice supplemented with proxyrutin and in combination with selenium showed decreased level of MDA. For SOD antioxidant enzyme activity, the mice treated with cypermethrin showed less activity level of SOD when compared to the control group. However, the mice supplemented with proxyrutin showed a significant result as compared to the cypermethrin group. Well, the catalase activity in serum showed remain non-significant throughout all the groups. For brain redox status, the MDA level was increased in cypermethrin treated group as compared to the control group. However, the mice supplemented with proxyrutin and in combination with selenium showed decreased lipid peroxidation. For SOD enzyme activity, the cypermethrin treated mice displayed less activity level when compared to the control group. However, the activity level was increased in the group supplemented with the selenium, while the catalase activity in the brain remained non-significant throughout all the groups. In the liver redox status, the MDA level was increased in cypermethrin treated group as compared to the control group, while all the groups supplemented either alone with proxyrutin and selenium or in combination shows less level of MDA when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For SOD enzyme activity, the cypermethrin treated group indicates low level of SOD activity when compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented groups showed increased level of SOD activity when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. Once again, the catalase activity level remained non-significant in all the groups. For kidney, the lipid peroxidation level increased in cypermethrin treated group, indicating oxidative stress as compared to the control group, while all the mice supplemented with proxyrutin, selenium, and in combination shows less lipid peroxidation level when compared to the cypermethrin treated group. For antioxidant enzyme SOD in the kidney, the cypermethrin treated mice, the SOD activity level was decreased as compared to the control group. However, all the supplemented groups shows increased level of SOD enzyme activity in the kidney, while the catalase activity level remains non-significant in all the groups. For acetylcholinesterase activity in the brain, as you can see in the figure, in the graph, that the cypermethrin group, the acetylcholinesterase activity was lowered as compared to the control group, while in the supplemented groups, only the combined supplemented groups with proxyrutin and selenium showed increased activity of acetylcholinesterase in the brain of the mice when compared to the cypermethrin, indicating the combined and synergistic effect of both the natural compounds. So on the basis of these results, we concluded that either supplemented alone or in combination, the proxyrutin and selenium mitigated the cypermethrin-induced neurotoxicity and improved behavioral impairments through their antioxidant and neuroprotective properties. And in addition, the supplementation of proxyrutin and selenium, either individually or in combination, improved hepatic and renal function markers. Moreover, co-supplementation alleviated the inhibitory effects of cypermethrin on brain acetylcholinesterase activity. So these are the, so thank you. That's all from my side.